Today's video, I show you guys how to fix the startup issue in NFS Carbon on modern Windows caused by an outdated safe disk protection system. To fix that problem, check my video description for this mod. Select the download option. Just need to wait for 30 seconds. After this done, select download now option. And after the download done, select this folder icon. Click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now right click on the game icon on the desktop and select the open file location. Just drag and drop this exe file into the game directory and select the replace the file in the destination and select continue. And now launch the game. And this fixes the startup issues in NFS Carbon on modern Windows. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.